Hi guys, happy New Year's. It is January 5th, Friday, January 5th. You know, they're saying this year is the year of the women. It is our year to get our things done, get ourselves situated. No more procrastinations, no more I'm gonna do this, no more, you know, having these dreams and these, you know, these things that we want to do just in the back of our minds but not getting. No, this is the year of getting our ish done, and we're gonna do that. So I wish you guys nothing but happiness this year, success, peace. So anyone that's not bringing any value into your life, bye. None of that. Like we're just gonna work on ourselves, and that's that year, working ourselves and those who matters, our families, our spouses, and those good relationships, our work. And yeah, I wish you all nothing but the best. So yeah, with all that out the way, I am on my way to go pick up my niece. Tomorrow I have this huge dinner. It started off with like about 5 people coming over, and now I have like about, I think, 12 people, probably around 12 people coming over. So I have a lot of things to do today. I'm gonna pick up my niece first. That's the first thing on the list, and I'm gonna bring her with me to go grocery shopping to get all the things that I need for the dinner tomorrow. So we're gonna do that, and she really wanted to be in one of my vlogs. One of the comments on the vlog too was, "Hi Auntie Layla, can I be in your video?" So she's been wanting to do the hot noodle, spicy noodle challenge. So one of my best friends got the packet for me, so we're gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna try to squeeze it into the vlog, and I'm gonna surprise her. I haven't told her yet, so we're gonna do that. She's gonna sleep over. I'm gonna clean the whole place, and then do some pre-prep. I like pre-prepping when it comes to big dinners, like cut up everything that I'm gonna be using the next day, just like get things out, marinate things like the meats or the chickens or whatever. So yeah. Hi. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, we got home from grocery shopping. We went to 3 different markets. And yeah, it looks like we're not gonna find time to do that challenge I said we were gonna do. So we're just gonna clean for the rest of the night. It is now, what, 7:30. I just got home. So my place looks a hot mess. So I have to start cleaning. All right, here we go. All right, guys. So this is the vanilla pudding I just made for the banana pudding for tomorrow. It's just setting. I'm gonna let it set until tomorrow. Cut up some onions, marinating the fish. The chicken, I have to get more chicken. I didn't know that I didn't have enough of it, so I gotta pick it up early in the morning and marinate it so I can marinate like all afternoon and stuff before I make it. Yeah, I cut up some peppers. It's in the back, but yeah, it's all prepped. The prepping is all done, and I am ready to go to sleep. The apartment is finally clean. I just have to wash the kitchen floors tomorrow, but other than that, everything else is clean. Good night. Okay, good morning, guys. I just finished assembling the banana pudding. I'm gonna let it chill in the fridge for a few hours, and then when I'm ready to serve it, I'm just gonna put some whipped cream over here and some sprinkles of the vanilla wafers, like some little crumbs on it. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And then now, next, I'm gonna make the stuffed ravioli, stuffed with the spinach thing I showed you guys, and cheese. So I'm gonna start. Anyways, I'll show you guys as I go. Okay. See, open it. This is the stuff that I prepped, the peppers and the onions. And it's so easy, guys, because now all I have to do is, hold on, before this, like, let me test it out. Okay, perfect. All I have to do is dump it in. And yeah, so it's so easy when you pre-prep everything the night before, because just in case you're like me, you end up having to do other things, you're all set. You don't have to, that's few less things that you have to worry about, you know? Nah, I mean, I'm gonna continue cooking and not waste any more time. Okay, so this is the end result. This is the sauce, and it's just a meat sauce. Ooh. And this is the ravioli. So I'm just gonna start assembling it like how you would assemble it when you're making lasagna. So just like layering it up. Dinner is served.
A few moments later.
Why you didn't take no picture? The day of the wedding day. But I'm not. You keep saying that there's no me. There has to be.
All right, guys. It is currently 11:28 right now, and the last people. I look yellow, but whatever. Everyone just left. My mom was the last person to leave, but of course my mother and my mother-in-law was gonna be the last people to leave because they want to make sure the place is clean. They're just amazing. So yeah, they just helped clean up and everything with me and my sister-in-law and one of my friends. But the gathering was absolutely successful. It was a lot of fun. It was so much fun catching up with everyone. Most of the people I haven't seen since I got married. By the way, I'm a newlywed. In case you guys didn't know that. I just got married 4 months on the 26th of December. We hit 4 months. So a little bit over 4 months now. And it was the first time seeing most of the, not most, but some of the people since I've been married. So it was so nice seeing them. We watched my wedding tape. Our wedding tape, and yeah, it was great. The girl who did it was one of my friends taken, but she did such an amazing job. I'm gonna put her information in the description bar below. I'm tired. I'm like so dead. Anyways, but yeah, she did such a great job. The picture is so beautiful. Wedding pictures were so beautiful. It was so nice just like reliving those moments, watching all those moments again. But yeah, it was overall a great turnout. I will see you guys on my next video. I love you guys. Make sure you like and comment. Let me know what videos you'd like to see. Let me know, just give me your input in the comments below. Comment whatever, say hi to me. Like, I would love to have conversations with you guys. So let me know what's up. Let me know how you're doing. How's your New Year's going so far? I really hope it started off well and continues to go well for you guys, you know. Just yeah, like it, subscribe, and like I said, let me know your suggestions. Give me some inputs. Yeah, it's time for me to go to sleep. Give me some inputs. Like, let me know what's up, you know. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the weekend. I love you guys. Catch them kisses. Mwah.